We recommend to follow this procedure every day. Use the brush provided to clean outer surface of the showers. Disassemble filters and portafilters and clean them under running water using the brush and a sponge. Insert filters and attach the portafilters to the groups. Then let water flows and let steam come out of the wands. Now you can clean properly the grid and the drip tray. Remove all coffee residues below the drip tray. Using a pitcher, pour hot water into the drain box of the coffee machine. Every 3 days, remove showers with the key spanner provided. Cool them down under running water, separate the components and place showers in a pot with water together with filter and the previously disassembled portafilters. Add a dose of the appropriate detergent to the water in the pot. Meanwhile, clean carefully the shower head block using a sponge. Check backlit that the holes are completely clean. With a moist cloth, remove coffee residues from the group gasket and from the group. Then, take the clean showers out the machine outfit and assemble them to the shower head block using the key spanner. Slightly tighten the screw of the showers. Turn on the groups and check water flows out regularly. It's now time to empty the pot and rinse the components under running water. Filters and portafilters are clean and ready to be assembled and attached to the delivery group of the machine, although showers need to be placed in a dry and clean place. Turn on the group to heat up the portafilters before brewing the first coffee. Every 15 days, follow the same procedure, but remember to clean also the shower head blocks with detergent.